y'all can hear that, but my front end's just grinding. Now I'm limping it back on these roads. I hope I'm not doing more damage than what's already there. I had more bike repairs this week than I know what to do with. Good morning and welcome to today's video. Y'all have been following me recently. You've seen me take this Sportster I built and we took it up the Mid-Atlantic BDR. Of course, I only made it through section 1, 2, and part of 3 before I had a clutch failure. We got the clutch fixed. I got it back on the road. I broke a chain. If you follow my Instagram, you saw that I was broke down again, and my friends over at Kodak Harley Davidson helped me out. If you don't follow my Instagram, it's right there. Go check it out. All in all, the bike did amazing. The suspension worked perfectly. I've got that dirt bike DRZ 450 front end, and I've got that Legend suspension on the rear. And let me tell you, the thing just floated. And I mean absolutely floated down the trail. But now we are back in Tennessee and filming for the website motorcycledestinations.com. It's just a website where motorcyclists can put in all their favorite spots, and then you can use it kind of like Yelp to figure out where you should ride to on your next adventure. So I've been on the road for, I don't know, probably close to a couple weeks, and look who showed up to celebrate my birthday with me. Oh, hey baby.
Hello.
She flew in all the way from Dallas, Texas to come spend my birthday with me right here in Tennessee.
Absolutely. You could not have me at your birthday.
So tonight's the big party. Where are we going to be?
Oh, Bobarosa Saloon in Del Rio, Tennessee.
That's right, Del Rio, Tennessee, Bobarosa Saloon. It's this saloon, restaurant, RV camping area right on the river out here in Tennessee. And we're filming an episode of Motorcycle Destinations there tonight. And we're celebrating my 44th birthday.
44 years young, baby.
You think so?
Age to perfection.
Oh, you see why I put a ring on it, right?
Today I'm riding on your 17 Road Glide.
That's right. And it's looking good too. It's also outfitted with that Legend suspension, so I know you're running smooth. These are all the stickers I've got from everywhere I've ridden. $1 Million Highway, Smoky Mountain, the Baja of Mexico, Custer State Park, Sturgis, Yellowstone National Park, the Petrified Forest, Badlands, Blue Ridge Parkway, Redwood National Park, New Mexico, Thunderbird, another spot I went to in Mexico, Silverton, Colorado, Black Elk Peak in South Dakota, Moonshiners Highway. Me and this girl have, what's that, baby?
We were in Silverton, Colorado 4 years ago today.
That's a fact. We were. For my 40th birthday.
Yeah.
That's right. So these are all, you know, memories. A lot of places I've been with this bike, and it's been an awesome ride. And it's been a beautiful addition to my stable, but I'm thinking, I don't know, I'm thinking about trading it in. I'm thinking about getting rid of it. What do y'all think? Y'all think I should hang on to that one or get rid of it?
I really think we should go for a ride now and then go to Bobarosa's for your party.
Well, let's do it. Let's put these girls on the road. Are those my Adam Sandoval shades?
They are.
I knew it. I think she stole them from me. Absolutely unbelievable. There's something I absolutely love about the Smoky Mountain area and their roads. There is no wrong turn. I mean it, there really is no wrong turn out here. Every time you turn a corner, one road is better than the next. With beautiful scenery too. I mean, just
gorgeous.
Absolutely. Pepper jack balls.
In the north, the cheese curds.
That's right. There are cheese curds in the north. But in Tennessee, they're pepper jack balls. I'm excited to share with y'all Bobarosa. It's a super cool place. We're gonna go there right after this, have a little birthday party, and film an episode of Motorcycle Destination.
And I even got you a cake.
You got me a cake?
I got you a cake. It's your birthday.
What kind of cake?
It's a surprise, baby. You have to wait and see.
the surprise cake. That's never a good thing. So the truth be told, we're sitting here hanging out at the Bobarosa, and I didn't even know. People are like, "How come you didn't say Ashley was coming sooner?" But I didn't even know. She walked in my room at like midnight on my birthday, and so my birthday was technically 2 days ago.
Yes.
We're celebrating it today, right? Because you can't celebrate a Wednesday. Well, you can celebrate it.
44 years young.
Yeah, 44 years young.
So handsome.
But she surprised me. She walked in my room at like midnight. I was laying there, and yeah, it was a pretty good birthday present.
You can't spend your birthday by yourself, sir.
I mean, I could. I thought I was.
I wouldn't let that happen.
Hey, y'all, welcome to day 2. I had a beautiful little party last night. Ashley got me a cake that said, it said exactly what you said earlier in the video.
It said age to perfection.
Isn't that something? So, she's too kind. But now that I know she'll lie to me, we can move forward and just kidding. We're in Hot Springs this morning. We are headed to take Ashley back to the airport. It was a wonderful stay. I'm so glad you came, baby. We will be only 5 days apart from each other. She's going to come back out because I got a little family reunion in South Carolina. Before she comes back out to see me, in the meantime, I'm headed to South Carolina. We're going to set up shop, and we are going to film motorcycle destinations for the website, motorcycledestinations.com. You guys can go check it out. It's just an easy place to go find and discover rad places to ride your motorcycle and to go visit, whether it's in your home state or if you're on a road trip. This is going to give you a direct link. You're not spending hours looking for places to go online, which can be a problem.
It's going to be a huge game changer for us because we spend so much wasted time trying to find places
We
to
really
go.
do, yeah. We really do. It's probably one of the worst parts about traveling is trying to find the spots you should be hanging out on 2 wheels. So we're just going to ride in. We're in Hot Springs, the beautiful Hot Springs, North Carolina. We're going to bang on down to South Carolina, and you're flying out of what airport?
Greenville.
Greenville?
Spartan, I think.
Spartan. And then we're kind of in that area of South Carolina filming for the next week. We're going to film like 5 destinations. You can go to my Facebook page or Instagram, and you can find my schedule of where you can connect with me if you want. It is a beautiful spot, huh?
It's absolutely gorgeous. Nestled in these mountains like this.
Yeah.
I love the mountains.
I love the mountains too. And you look good on that Indian.
Well,
I mean, you look really good on that Indian.
should we get rid of my Harley and me just keep this?
Negative. Negative. You're talking nonsense. She's talking nonsense. Let's go ride. So I'd put these T-bars on this bike from Barnstorm. That's where I got them. I know a lot of you guys ask. And on the T-bars, they relocate the GPS up high like that and the 2 gauges down. Well, I did the install myself with a couple friends late at night, maybe a couple too many beers, and the left gauge isn't working. This is why I hire mechanics, because now I'm dropping it off here to see if they can't get it fixed for me. Oh no, look at this bike. Ooh, that is beautiful. Cotton scramble. Looks good. I'm gonna have to see what the stats are on that thing. The worst part of traveling, what's that, baby?
I'm leaving my boots in your saddlebag.
Okay. The worst part of traveling all the time is leaving this one, and Brady for that matter, behind. It's difficult. I don't know how our veterans do it, to leave their loved ones for so long and go to such a hostile area. I'm just riding motorcycles around the most beautiful areas in the country. But it's always hard to be alone and say goodbye. We're gonna say goodbye real quick, and then I'll catch back up to you guys later. Bye, baby. I love you. Travel safe. Bye. Be safe out there. I'll see you in a week. 5 days. The absolute worst. Worst part about traveling, man. Unbelievable. Although I'm blessed that I got to see her, we were supposed to go 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks without seeing each other. And from the day we've met, with all my travels around the country, we've never gone more than 2 weeks apart from one another. So that's a pretty good record over 6 years. And I think she's been to something like 40 states with me and like, I don't know, 4 or 5 countries. Not a bad track record. Listen, y'all, this is where I'm going to cut this video short. I'm going to go get set up and get ready for motorcycledestinations.com, filming all over South Carolina. I know y'all are wondering how I have multiple bikes here, so what I did is I shipped several of my motorcycles on a toy hauler, like a camper trailer, out to this area so that while I'm riding, like today we rode from Tennessee down into South Carolina, so when I'm riding, I can have different bikes for different videos, because one thing I want to stay away from is being any type of brand snob or any loyalty to any one brand. I love all motorcycles, I love all motorcyclists, and I want to represent as many as I can. So I want to have multiple bikes to ride in different episodes of Motorcycle Destinations. This has become my life, touring around filming the best areas for riding motorcycles all across America on all different kinds of bikes. Life could not be any better. Unless, of course, I had that little lady with me still. But I got a lot of growing to do before I can talk her into quitting her job and just working with me, touring around, making videos like this for y'all. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope y'all stay safe out there. And no matter what challenges in front of you, you make sure you keep your eye on the prize, you stay focused, and you stay stubborn. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but my front end's just grinding. I think I just lost my wheel bearing. I had to stop on the side of the interstate. Now I'm limping it back on these roads. I just got my flashers going. I'm hoping I can limp it to this dealer. Total of 6 miles I've been pushing this thing. I hope I'm not doing more damage than what's already there. Yeah, see those bearings? Those bearings are all coming out. The seal's out. Not good. 1 more mile to go. And I'll be at a Harley Davidson dealership. Hopefully they can get me in and out. It's not one thing, it's another, man. I tell you. It's like 90 degrees out here. We're in this stop and go traffic. And I'm just putting along at 10 miles an hour. And let me tell you something. This thing is just cooking. Woo, she's hot. This is where a liquid cooled bike comes in nice. Whew. I'm telling you, that was a close one, man. I almost didn't make it. It has not been my week for my Harleys, man. Last week, Harley Davidson Sportster had me laid up. This week, had barely limped in time with my road gliding. I think that's the problem. At least that's what I identified on the side of the highway. A bearing. I believe that bearing is coming apart on me. Son of a gun. Let's go see if they can get me in here at Greenville. Greenville, Harley Davidson to Greenville. All right, so they're able to squeeze me in. They figure about an hour and a half job. I'm gonna come over here and look at the showroom. Like, look at this white soft tail. That thing's pretty hot. I think I'm gonna go over. There's a Quaker Steak and Lube next door. I think I'm gonna go over there and get a bite to eat and wait, see if I get this bike fixed and get back on the road. I've had more bike repairs this week than I know what to do with. A couple buffalo wings later, I got a text. It says my bike is in the wash bay, ready to be done. Let's go get it, get back to that road. And it is getting hotter by the minute out here. What are you doing? And there she is, all put back together. That is the way it's supposed to look. And now we ride.